Django Kenya.
We are going to
Django
use
Kenya.
Ngrok, 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 Ngrok. Wacha tuione. Alright, so this is our Ngrok. We need to activate it, and once we activate it, we start our journey to testing. So before to test, wacha tuingie hii pande ya VS Code or any other so tuingie hii side ya VS Code or any other code editor. You can use any yenye unapenda. So we activate our virtual environment so by this script. Let's see. So could not be loaded. So why? Wacha tuone. Oh yeah. So script. Yeah, we are not in that folder, so we need to move to that specific folder where our project is. So I will use the simplest one to the so we just copy path from script, we paste here, then delete the unnecessary and change directory to now you can see it works. So our virtual environment is active. You can see it's green on the left side. And then we can move now to our folder, Maya corner. So we run our server and let's wait. So the port which we are going to use from VS Code, itakuja hapa in a few. So it's 127.0.0.0.1, so our port is 8000. So that's the port we are going to use on our Ngrok. So tukuja hapa Ngrok HTTP, our port 8000. Damn, it's connecting. Yeah, so we're using the free plan, so msijali. Let's see. We connect. Yes, so this is the link yenye tutatumia to access our project, and we copy that link, we paste on any browser of your choice. Tumia yenye unataka, Opera Mini, Safari, Brave, Chrome, whichever. Zote zinafanya the same, so we paste the link here. Visit ni sawa. Let's visit the link. Bam. Yes, we have our site. So now we can choose. I think I will choose 2 items, random. 2 random items. Yes. So one bob, don't worry about the amount. Once you move the project to production, utaweka amount yenye inafaa. So proceed to checkout. Then hapa tutajaza details zetu. Let me just autofill. Then I put my number 424454654 Kenya Wamanyara Sugoi twende 021. Then so don't mind about these details. Our main aim is to test whether the M-PESA push SDK push is working. 1 term, 2 term. Leta kijani, so pay with M-PESA, place your order, and then let's see where the magic happens. Yeah, so let's connect our phone. Yeah, so you can record this one with your phone. For me, I prefer using the screen for both. So my phone address would be, where is it? Yes, let me check. My phone address, invite, offline. Let me check my phone. Let me check. What is not happening? It's not connected to the internet. Alright, let's try that again. 2 minutes. 2 minutes should be okay. Let's see. Done. Yes, so place order, then send, push, and so here to Turkey. Let's see the magic. 1, 2, 3, boom. Yes. So our phone tuko push, inatuambia 2 bob, unataka kupeana hii 2 bob. Yes, nataka kupeana, weka pin. Tunaweka pin yetu hapa. Ting. Alright, then let's wait. Yes, so we got, thank you for using. And we got our payment. Yeah, so TJBA. So shika hiyo tutahitaji huku tukiconfirm. Going to the backend tuone what is happening. We have our order here to 23, amelipa, tunapeleka la Mnyoro, paid, iko X for now, hiyo tusideal nayo for now. It's another log issue. Then from there tutaangalia our transactions. Yes. Yes, transactions kama kuna. Yes. So if your number appears here, forgive me. Hizi number nafanya tu randomly. I'm just guessing numbers, bora ifanye. So if yours is here, ama umepata a prompt, testing prompt, usijali, forgive me for that. So order iko hapa 223, the number that paid, the amount that was paid. We have a checkout request hapa, then status wachana nayo for now, then transaction code. So the one I said we check the transaction code, ndio where is it, imeenda wapi, ndio hii, so zinafanana, and that's how you test your local project transaction ama Daraja API to see whether it's working before moving to production. Karibuni sana.